Hello and welcome to the social plug Lodestar. We have an exciting journey in store for you today. Join us as we explore the dark and frightening depths of the Naihehe cannibal caverns in Fiji's gorgeous Sigatoka Valley. Legend has it that the Naihehe cave was a natural fortress used by the tribe to hide from their enemies during the days of tribal warfare. The narrow, widening passages and secret penetrable hideout for the clans to defend themselves and their loved ones from attackers. Once inside the cave, you will be transported to a time long ago. The main chamber of the Naihehe cave once held a secret access point to the top, accessible only with the help of wild vines. The cave was also provided a source of food for the tribes, including freshwater prawns and fish, as well as yams, fruits and other root crops. But the Naihehe cave was not just a place of refuge and sustenance. It was also a site of pagan worship, tribal warfare and infamous practice of cannibalism. Yes, you heard it right. The Naihehe cave was where tribes members would take the dead bodies of their enemies and cook their flesh as a sign of their victory. Even today, the Naihehe cannibal cave still contains remains of this grisly tradition. Lava pits used to cook the flesh of their enemies and scattered human bones still visible in the cave. But fear not, travelers, as the Naihehe cave is now a preserved tourist attraction site. Guided tours offer visitors a unique opportunity to explore this dark and mysterious cave and learn about the history and legends. So, if you're feeling brave, join us on a tour of a lifetime and experience the Naihehe Cannibal Cave for yourself. Thanks for tuning in to the social plug Lodestar, and remember, next time you're in the Sigatoka Valley, don't miss the chance to explore this unforgettable site.
Social plug Fiji. Click on the subscribe button to stay up to date on all our latest videos.